Hello mga ka-basic. So for today's video, let us have solving rational inequality. So how we're going to solve the rational inequality. Like for example, solve the inequality 2x over x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 1. So the first thing na gagawin natin is to write the inequality as 1 quotient on the left and 0 on the right. So meaning to say, let us have 2x over x plus 1. Then si 1, lipat sa kabila, magiging negative 1, greater than or equal to 0. Then, so kunin natin. So we have the LCD is x plus 1. Then x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 is 1 times 2x. So we have 2x. Then x plus 1 times negative 1 is negative x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Then here we have x minus 1 over x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Then, using the zero product property, kunin natin yung value ng x no, doon sa numerator and the denominator. So using the zero product property, we have x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then the other one is x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here, x is equal to 1. Then dito, x is equal to negative 1. Alright? So, ngayon, i-check natin yung tawag dito. We have the included or excluded. So, if x is 1, okay, so let us try doon. If x is 1, so if x is 1, so we have x minus 1 over x plus 1. Sorry. I stand corrected. If x is 1 nga pala, sorry for that. If x is 1, so we have, punta tayo dito. So we have 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 over 2. Then, ito ay equal to 0. So, nag-satisfy siya doon. So, meaning, kukunin natin si 1 as include natin si 1. Then, si negative 1, if x is negative 1, so sabi, if x is equal to negative 1, then we can say that, punta tayo doon ha, negative 1 minus 1 over negative 1 plus 1. So, ito, negative 2 over 0. It is not greater than or equal to 0 kasi magiging ano siya, magiging undefined. So, here, negative 1 is excluded. Now, i-check ngayon natin siya doon sa number line. Okay? Doon sa number line po natin, ito yung number line. Let's say ito yung 0, ito yung positive 1, ito yung negative 1. So, tatlo po yung posible nating gawin. Ano? So, pwede tayong kumuha dito yung mga number na papunta sa kaliwa, yung number na papunta sa kanan. So, sabi natin, si positive 1 is included. So, ito si positive 1. So, isi-shade natin siya. Si negative 1, sabi natin, excluded siya. So, bilog lang siya, pero walang shaded. Okay? So, here, para malaman natin, yung set notation, kung ano ba yung solutions dyan. So, kuha tayo ng number. Lahat ng number na papunta doon. So, pwedeng kuha tayo ng negative 2. Then, dito yung nasa gitna ni negative 1 and positive 1, try natin kumuha ng 0. Then, doon sa positive 1, mga numbers na papunta sa kanan. So, pwede natin kuhanin si positive 2. Then, solve natin. Punta ngayon tayo dito. Check natin kung magsasatisfy yung equation, or rather yung inequality. So, if x is negative 2, if x is equal to negative 2, ayan, so check natin doon. So, 2 times negative 2 over negative 2 plus 1 greater than or equal to 1. So, ito ay negative 4 over negative 1 greater than or equal to 1. So, ito, negative 4 over negative 1 is positive 4. And it is greater than or equal to 1. Check tayo doon. Okay? Next one. How about if x is 0? If x is equal to 0, okay? So, here, we have 2 times 0 over 0 plus 1. Then, we can say that a greater than or equal to 1. Here, 2 times 0 is 0 over 1 greater than or equal to 1. So, hindi 0 is not greater than or equal to 1. So, meaning, wala dito yung solution niya. So, pwedeng nahandoon. Then, if x is positive 2, if x is equal to 2, we have 2 times 2 over 2 plus 1 greater than or equal to 1. 2 times 2 is 4 over 3, then it is greater than or equal to 1. Check tayo doon. Okay, so meaning, yung solutions niya, ayan, i-ano natin to, ida-darken natin yan. Ito, ida-darken din natin. Alright, so if we're going to have the set notation, so pwede nating, ito yung pinakasagot sa kanya. So we have negative infinity, ayan, to negative 1. Okay, yun, ayan, included si positive 1 up to the positive infinity. So, ito yung pinaka-solution niya, set notation. So, ganun lang po kadali, mga ka-basic, ang pagsasolve ng rational inequality. Alright, so wag na wag pong malilito doon, mga ka-basic. See you again next video. Bye!